Hi everyone, today I'm gonna do another project of my 100 Python project challenge. And in this project, I'm gonna do a toss a coin game, which with using functions of Python. And let's explain this game. First, we are importing random module of Python here. Then we are importing time module of Python here. And here we are defining a function which named as a toss a coin. Here we are creating a list of possibilities. This list will include two possibilities which heads and tails. Here I am just creating an index variable which use randint function of my random module, and here it returns 0 or 1. It choose one of these integers randomly. Here I am just printing coin is flipping, and here I am using sleep function of my time module, which will stop our code from running for 2 seconds. And here I am just printing my result here. Uh, by the way, I'm choosing an index here, then I am choose, choosing the right element of possibilities with index here. That's why it looks like this, and I am adding F here because I should format my string here. That's why I am adding it here. So, and here I am calling my toss a coin function. Let's run it. And as you can see, first it prints coin is flipping, then it waits for 2 seconds, then it prints our result. Can I do this another way? By the way, I don't know if this works or not. I just wanna try. If I choose index here randomly, I think it will be same, but less code will be better. Let's run. And as you can see, we can do this without using index variable. So that's it for this project. We will meet again in next project. See you later.